The NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today we are unboxing Glossy Box. Ooh-hoo-hoo. I love the cute little boxes that Glossy Box comes in. Okay, it's not. This is the outside packaging that I just showed you. There's a box inside that's usually super uber cute, or it's just pink. Still cute and good and handy to use. But anyway, let's check out what is Glossy Box. Okay, Glossy Box is a monthly subscription. Now, if you subscribe for the year but just pay monthly, it's just $18 a month. Now, if you just want to subscribe for 1 month and go one at a time and not commit for a year, then it's $21 a month. But if you're like me and you keep getting boxes, you might as well just go into a deal for a year and just, yeah, you know what I mean? Anyway, also, when it comes to Glossy Box, it comes with 5 beauty and skin care items. And sometimes there's like a theme with each month. I have no idea what the theme is this month. I tried to, not be spoiled or anything. Now, this box, you do pay either the $18 or the $21 a month. And so they're promising a value of $60 or more. Now, this isn't as big of a deal as some of the deals that you'd get from maybe in Ipsy or BoxyCharm. But they still provide, I've noticed I'm usually well over $60. So with that in mind, I've been doing pretty good with Glossy Box. Now, it does usually come in their iconic pink, cute box that I use to store all sorts of things in my crafts and such, and herbs and whatever, you just, yeah, I know. I have a weird system. But that's a little bit about what Glossy Box is, and let's get into let's bust this open, right? Now this is the March Glossy Box. Trying to bust this open here. Okay, this time we have the cute pink box. Last time we had the one with the audio cassette. Okay, come on out. Okay, this time it's just the regular pink box, which is still quite adorable, and I can sometimes reship things in here and use this. Okay. Oh, macarons, yummy, yummy, yummy. And they always have it wrapped up. We got the pink bow and the paper, and I just unpulled the bowl. It's really cute. Oh my. And this tells me what I got and the pricing and how to use these items. So, let's see here. The top thing is Golden Eye Skincare 24 Karat Gold Hydrogel Eye Patches. Sorry about that noise. It's either the cats or my kids. Or a combo. Now this is a single treatment, and so it's just $6. Now if you buy their package of 30 treatments, and then it's $54. Now I have Grace and Kelly brand with Golden Eye, and in fact I was using those this weekend. So that's, I love having these kind of things. I think they're really nice and they work well for my eyes. I'm trying to keep looking young, folks. All right, this next thing here I have is Espa Eucalyptus and Tea Tree Cleansing Hand Spray. Oh, I love tea tree and eucalyptus. Ooh. This is the deluxe mini, and it's $10. A full size is $28. Now in here, they're showing a bergamot and jasmine no rinse hand cleanser, but I got eucalyptus and tea tree. Honestly, I'm glad I got the eucalyptus and tea tree. Much better. Oh, it smells so good. And a nice hand cleanser. Oh, yeah. It doesn't feel super drying either. And I just love the scents. This is nice. Nice, good stuff. Okay, that's good. Let's see this other thing. Clean It Zero Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm. Pore Clarifying. Why would there be... It doesn't say acid on here, but I'm pretty sure this is... Yeah, it does say peel acid. Okay. This is a deluxe mini, and this is $3. I've been getting a few little zit stuff around here. This sherbet-like balm will remove even tough waterproof makeup without stripping or drying out your skin. Its tri-peel acid blend helps remove dead skin cells, clear pores, and gently exfoliates. Massage under dry skin with your fingertips until the balm melts into an oil. Add water to emulsify and then rinse or remove with a damp cloth. I want to try this because I need something, because I just keep right here under here. I have been breaking out and it's been driving me insane. I'm like, I need something good to cleanse with it. All right, now First Aid Beauty. I am a fan of First Aid Beauty, and this is their intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Ooh, I need this. Ultra Repair Cream and Grapefruit, filled with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and the Caldia oatmeal. This has got a fresh citrus scent. Now, this is a deluxe mini of $5. Now, using all those hand sanitizers, my skin, my hands, sometimes, I mean, I can't get enough lotion and moisturizer into them, and maybe you're supposed to use this not on hand, but I'm using it where I have my skin. Apply as needed from head to toe throughout the day. Ooh, my feet. Oh, this is good. I'm not a fan of citrus scents, but this one smells more like those tangelos and tangerines, which I like. So, but it's supposed to be grapefruit. That's odd. Who knows? Okay, now we got a full-size item from Cab Cosmetics. It's Sugar and Spice Gloss. It's a dusty rose beige nude lip gloss. And this sells for $18. I think I've gotten some of their lip stuff before. Yes, I have. Totally remember their packaging. It's cool. Nice smell. Yeah, I'm putting it straight on my lips because, you know, I'm a brave soul. Sometimes this stuff is back. You can see some videos where I've tried some lip glosses or lip things, and I've had some bad reaction. And it wasn't because, it was plumping and tingling. It was bad. You know, burnt my lips bad. Okay, and there's one. Oh, here's the cap for the hand thing. It just must have popped off. I was wondering where the cap was. There we go. Okay, then we got another deluxe mini. It is from Caudalie, from Paris, Vino Perfect. It's a serum, radiant serum, complexion correcting, both effective and natural. This is a best-selling skin toning serum, and it's a deluxe mini for this little tube, which is a deluxe mini, is $26. You better, like, smells refreshing, but oh my god. Normally a 30 mil is $79. Use morning and evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. And they have a claim that one is sold every 2 minutes around the world. Wow. Sold. Somebody buys this every 2 minutes around the world. I'll try it. I'll see if it has any good for me. I don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. And then the box and okay, so let's wrap this up. Let's see if this is hitting that $60 mark or above. Let's see what kind of value we're getting out of this box. And my kind of thoughts on these products all together. Stay tuned for the wrap up. All right, everybody, let's do the wrap up. Now, things I got here was I got eye care, some makeup, skincare, skin cleansing, pore care, skincare. So there's a lot of skincare, which is normal for Glossy Box. You're going to get a lot of skincare. This was an added little treat. They're like an extra treat. So I could, which is kind of nice that they added that, but I got to thinking, my only full-size item was this lip gloss. Now, I'm not a fan of this packaging, folks. I don't like how it feels in my hand. I don't like the Sharpie edges. But this lip gloss, it is not heavy. It's not sticky. It wears nicely. And yeah, so that's good. I want to say to this company, Cab, you're doing pretty good with that. Thank you. Your gloss is not tacky and gross. And also, remember, I said Grace and Kelly, like Grace Kelly. I meant Grace and Stella. Sorry, y'all. See, I do have these that I use regularly, so I'll try this one out too. Here's the thing. When it comes to the value of everything here, if I didn't get the extra treat, it was $62. But including this, the value is $68, which is above that $60 promised. Usually I get more than just one full-size item in the Glossy Box. I don't know what happened this time. There's just one, and it's just the lip gloss and none of the skincare, and that's a bummer. I mean, if they're full size, anytime it's going to be throwing in a liquid lip or gloss. Why don't you give me full size of some other products, you know? Please, Glossy? Pretty please? My lighting and everything is going crazy because of the weather. So, if you are a member, a subscriber who does subscribe for the entire year, you're only paying $18 a month for your box. So your deal is, without the extra treat, is $44 you saved. With the extra treat, you saved $50. Pretty good. I'm excited to try this out. Now, if you pay the $21 instead, then you got a deal without the little eye mask, $41 saved, and with it, $47. So basically, this is all going to come down to, are these products that you're interested in? Are these products that you want to use? Is this something that you're going to use and then perhaps go, oh, I like this brand, and continue with it? I don't know. It's really up to you. For me, yes, it's worth it this month. I like what I got. And I am excited to try it out. You don't get to customize Glossy Box. Remember, when I did the whole about, you don't customize it and you don't survey like in Ipsy or BoxyCharm. But it's a fun box. It is. I liked unboxing this with you. I hope you enjoyed this time together. Usually I do these videos. I was supposed to do it over the weekend, but I got busy this weekend. A lot of family stuff going on, dental issues. It's been crazy. Anyway, folks, I do love you. Please remember to be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Bye.